Let me start with something simple. If your maths teacher asked you to solve something like this, you would probably grab your notebook and calculate it step by step. But if you had to give this to ChatGPT, you would probably just copy paste the whole thing in, and if it gave the wrong answer, you would just ask it again, right? And that's totally fine if you're experimenting. But in production systems, where LLM call feeds into the next, a single wrong answer can break the whole chain. And I have worked with enough prompts to know how one sentence can drastically change the LLM output. That's why chain of thought prompting is not just a trick, it's sometimes survival. It's basically a fancy way of saying that we ask the LLM to work step by step and reason before it comes up with an answer. When you ask for structured steps, you are explicitly shifting the model into a different mode, one it has seen millions of times during training, where we go through steps given or to be taken before coming with an answer. Chain of thought prompting enables complex reasoning capabilities through intermediate reasoning steps. Now let's look at a few prompt templates for chain of thought. This is light and simple. It just asks the model to think step by step. Nothing crazy. Then, this prompt forces decomposition of a problem into steps and adds a quality check in the last step. This is for multi-constraint problems. Last one is when it must be right. Here, you are adding redundancy and risk awareness, forcing the model to do expert level work. And honestly, templates 2 and 3 are my personal go-tos. Alright, let's see a quick example. So basically, you want the model to predict price that brings max profit based on the conditions. I could send this prompt as is. That's a zero shot prompt. Just throw it at the model and hope for the best. Or I could add assumptions, expectations, and outputs. In other words, the exact steps it should follow to come up with an answer. This forces the model to walk through the reasoning before giving a final answer. And for complex multi step tasks, this massively increases accuracy. If the model still doesn't perform well, ask it for explanation in the prompt itself. This improves the response by so much. And if you can add examples to the prompt, few shot plus chain of thought prompting works amazingly well. Now let's go through some common mistakes I have made in chain of thought prompting and how you can avoid them. First is if you want the model to perform well but not give too long reasoning, give it a cap, like explain reasoning in 150 words. Second is that my steps were too vague and thus LLM couldn't come up with accurate results. So I created sub-steps and named each step based on the subproblem. This resulted in focused answers. Even after having strict steps, LLM might not give the correct answers. So always ask the model to check its final output before responding and to reiterate the failed step at max once so that it doesn't get stuck in a loop. I'll make a template for chain of thought plus few shot prompting and I'll add it to the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.